Data is getting expensive these days, but what if I told you there is another platform that you can buy affordable data bundles from? In my previous videos, I showed you one method. Today, I'm about to show you the second one so that we have more options that we can choose from. And the most interesting part about this is that it's not only for personal usage. You can actually make this a side hustle to get people to buy affordable data and get some small profit from it. So watch this tutorial to the end because I'm going to show you around the platform and sharing what you need to know before using it. Let's dive straight into this. Alright, so we open the website. This is the homepage we will see. One thing to note is that this platform only offers affordable data bundles for MTN, AirtelTigo and Telecel, which was formerly known as Vodafone. It does not provide any other digital services, just these network providers. As we scroll down, we will see supported networks. In this case, we are going to select MTN. Once we choose MTN, we will be taken to a page that lists all the MTN data bundles. On this page, we will see different bundle options. For us, we are choosing the 2 GB package, which costs 11 cedis 30 pesos. After selecting it, we enter the MTN phone number that will receive the bundle. One thing you need to note is that make sure the recipient does not owe any airtime. If the recipient's number has an airtime debt on it, the bundle might not be delivered successfully. So before proceeding, make sure the recipient's number does not owe any airtime debt. Next, we enter our email address so we get a confirmation. Once we do that, we carefully review all details, network, bundle, and recipient number before we proceed. Once we are done reviewing, we click on Proceed to Payment. Here, we select MTN as our payment method since we are using MTN Mobile Money. Then, we enter our MTN Mobile Money number. After that, we click Confirm. We will receive a one-time password via SMS. So, we go to our phone, check the SMS, and enter the one-time password on the screen. Once we enter it, we click Authorize. After we entered our mobile money PIN to confirm the payment, we received an SMS that showed the amount we paid. Your payment has been processed successfully. Other details will be provided shortly. Below that, we saw a note that said, you will receive an SMS with your order code and your data bundle will be processed shortly. After that, we clicked on Track Order, which took us to another page where we could see all our order details, our number, the amount, the data size, everything we need. And just to note, we typically receive our data within 30 minutes. If it takes longer, it's usually because the site is busy. But in our case, we got it in less than 4 minutes. And that's how you can use the second option to buy data bundles on MTN and other networks. If this helped you, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share to anyone who needs to purchase affordable data bundles. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos so we can compare both methods and see which one works perfectly for us. Thanks for watching, and as always, making the impossible possible. I'm Erasmus the Model. See you all in my next tutorial. Bye-bye.
Camera. Yeah. Good morning to my haters, just a greet ya. This world is tricky with no competition. They are laying at them zone, bro. Why they envy man, brethren? I fit to kill for a better life. If they be and they be just try to listen. Changing your religion, no go make you get your vision, ambition. RIP haters, that's my intention. Consign yo, fuck all your ratings.